Hi, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we're on our way. We decided to go to the 12th annual Aztec image car show here in Kern County. This is gonna be our first time going to like a lowrider specific car show. I'm excited. To be honest, we were not gonna come, but I just didn't want to be lazy and lay down and sleep all day. These allergies here in Kern County are killing me. But yeah, we brought the kids, so we'll see if they like it. And then the hubby, I'm gonna meet up my sister there, and I think my nieces too are going, so yeah. All right guys, so we made it out here to the car show, and as you can see, it's pretty hot and sunny, but there's still a breeze, so we love this. There's a lot of family and kids. I thought it was gonna be more like cholo vibes and stuff, but it's actually really nice. We're gonna show you some of the cars. This one reminds me of Sergio. Sergio used to have one of these back in the day. It's nice. Saw it? Are you hot already? You brought a hat, dude. Oh, look at this one. He's a little racer.
I get like 25 miles to the gallon in gas.
So we're driving, and then it says,
look at the old school phone.
Oh, cool. Look at the windshield. ¿Cómo se llama eso? El volante?
Oh, steering wheel?
The steering wheel. Look at the phone, Holly.
And
It's a pop
CD
phone.
player.
Oh, I want to see these. Look, Juju, what about this one? Oh, these are from Visalia, look.
What? So they had to put on foam so that the tires would get dirty?
Yep. Because you see all of that, it's chrome. Look at the detail. Look at the detail. You see? That's a lot of money, girl.
How much?
Ooh, a lot.
A million?
It's like a million. Come on. Oh, look at this Chevy. This one's badass.
About like 200. Oh, look right there.
I think I saw this car in one of the videos.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ortiz. Here comes La Güera. Send it to Gramps, Javi. Oh, there she is. Hood rats are here. Say hi to the hood rats. Woo.
Hello.
What's up, man? Are you ready? Hi. Hi.
Hi.
All right.
Look, that looks like Sergio's old car.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god, this little brat. Oh, I know. Let me record this one. Didn't Junior have one of these, Liz? Junior? I like the T on top. She's somewhere. I don't know. I haven't texted her. Is it Chevy? And look at this one, babe. Look, Javi. Alright guys, so we're gonna go inside. I think there's more shows inside, more cars. Sorry, my strap.
DJ Exquisite on the ones and twos.
One summer night, we fell in love. One summer night, I held you tight, you and I, under the moon of love. One summer night, I kissed your lips. One summer night, I held you close, you and I, under the moon of love. Put your head on my shoulder, hold me in your arms, baby. Squeeze me oh so tight. Show me that you love me too. Put your lips next to mine, dear. Won't you kiss me once, baby? Just a kiss goodnight, maybe. You and I will fall in love. Tonight, when I'm holding you so near. Tonight, would I give if I could hear those three little words that would thrill the heart of me. Just whisper, shh, I love you, and we'll eternally. Tonight, more than any time before. This heart of mine seems to need you so much more. The touch of your lips, the thrill of your embrace, keep saying that no one will ever take your place. While looking up above, I wished upon a star and prayed for a blessing from above. Well, if my wish should come true, until our life is through, I'll have you near to laugh, to hold, and to love. Well, tonight may never reach an end. I'll miss you so till you're in my arms again. With all of my heart, I declare with all my might, I'll love you forever, and I love you tonight. Love you
DJ Exquisite in the mix.
You don't remember me, but I remember you. 'Twas not so long ago, you broke my heart in two. Tears on my pillow, pain in my heart, caused by you. If we could start anew, I wouldn't hesitate. I'd gladly take you back and tempt the hand of fate. Tears on my pillow, pain in my heart caused by you. Love is not a gadget, love is not a toy. When you find the one you love, she'll fill your heart with joy. If we could start anew, I wouldn't hesitate. I'd gladly take you back and tell.
How do you like it? It's cool? Which one is your favorite so far?
That blue one, I like it.
The blue one? Pretty cool, huh? How about you, Sunshine? Oh, he's a little cholo.
And the fake tears on my pillow, pain in my heart caused by you. I don't like you, but I love you. Seems that I'm always thinking of you, though you treat me badly. I love you madly. You really got a hold on me. Really got a hold on me. You really got a hold on me. Really got a hold, baby. I don't want you, but I need you. Don't wanna kiss you, but I need to go. You do me wrong now. My love is strong now. You really got a hold on me. Really got a hold on. You really got a hold on me. Really got a hold, baby. I love you, and all I want you to do is just hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me.
Darling, baby, life is so lonely without you. Life is so lonely without you. Since you left these arms of mine, I've been alone, crying, wondering why you left me behind. Darling, baby, can't carry on since you've been gone. Why don't you please, please come on home? Let's talk it over, baby, 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 baby. Let's talk it over one more time. Oh, so many nights I wondered who's holding you tight. Can't help but feel it should be me. Oh, it should be me. 'Cause I'm forever losing sleep at night. Darling, baby, I've been loving you so long. Tell me, what did I do wrong? Come back to these arms of mine. Let's talk it over. Let's talk it over one more time.
Paro, 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 se me paro.
Putting it down for the 818 DJ Exquisite.
I went out cruising the other night in my carrucha.
The 80s. Back to the time, my era. That's when I used to get down in the 80s, man. And I still do. I love the 80s. And these ladies are big in the 80s. Ladies and gentlemen, you ready to go back to the old school?
They better make some noise!
You ready for the candy man?
I don't think they're ready!
You ready to take a trip to their house? Woo! You ready to do it all night long?
Make some
There was a legend who had a vision of not just creating one star in the universe, but four super sexy, freaky, singing ladies of the night. He christened them the princesses of punk funk. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to party super freak style.
Wait a minute, Bakersfield.
a green light. This one is for my girls. Are you ready, sisters? Come on. Boys. 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 Boys are young, boys are old. Boys been act like boys are told. Just ask a boy his point of view. He'll run that man, step down on you. A boy will ask you for your name before he tries to run his game. Then when he's fine, then made his play. What do you do, boy? That's when the boy runs away. We like the boys. Boys. We still like the boys. Boys. We like the boys. I know that by now. We like the boys. I know that by now. We like the boys. I know that by now. We like the boys. I know that by now. You can call me anytime. You got loving on your mind. When you need me, boy, you just call me any week when you feel the need to free, and I'll be there. You can call me any day when you want someone to play with. Don't hesitate. Hey, you can call me anytime, any day, any day. It's Kanika Nikki. Come on, sing along now. Sing along. Mary Jane. Mary Jane. Mary Jane. Mary Jane. Hey boy, meet me on the rooftop tonight. I got a surprise for you. All night long. Come on. All night long. Y'all ready? Oh, something's got me so excited, baby. Come on. A feeling I've been holding back so long. Wait, you got me shook up, shook out, shook out. Oh, your loving, and boy, I can't wait to get started loving you. Oh, no.
You like it, Jude?
Would you guys be interested in trying some homemade beef jerky? I got some free samples here. Okay, man. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Where? Oh, shoot. Sheesh. A ver, mija, estorba, mija. Estorba. Pimp on my Jeep like that. Swifty. Hola, Javi. Javi, take a picture right here. Yay, Jav.
Take
All right, we're going to kind of smooth the stage around and set for the Mary Jane girl. Bueno, give it up for them. They're fantastic.
She's cute.
So for you guys, shout out to all of you here in attendance today. Shout out to Aztec.
Look at this one. Look at this one, Juju.
Thank you so much for being here today.
Am I? There, I am. This one's so cute.
Mom, do you like that one?
You want to take a picture right there? Let's take a picture. Come on, Mel. Take a picture of the girls. I like this one. So pretty, Haju? Where do you want to go?
Going there?
Yeah.
Come on, guys. Juliana.
Oh, look at this one. Love it. Go, Hummer, yeah? Yeah, he's on his way. Wanna go this way or that? Watch your step. Let's go. Go walk over there. I'm gonna record cars. Nice, huh? Look, it has a thing. Mommy, watch your step. Which one's your favorite, girl? You don't like any? No, that's not your style? Oh, look at this one. Sorry, babe. Party pooper. Look at this yellow one. There's like Grandpa's old car. There's a, yeah, Monte Carlo, 1980. And you pump gas over here. Right here. On the license plate. You don't pump gas on the side. Pretty. Look at that one with the fake money. Bonnie and Clyde. Oh no, I'm supposed. Fresno? Oh, look at this one. Look, it has a C in the back. Wait, one day you're going to see all of this.
I'm in the building and I'm feeling like R.I.P. to the Mac. Hold it down for the paper. Oh, man. For that badass. I mean, for sure. Know what I mean for sheets. I mean, for sure. Know what I mean for sheets. I mean, for sure. Know what I mean for sheets. I mean, for sure. Know what I mean for sheets. I don't want that. don't put that on, that's my word. I don't put that on, that's my word. I don't put that on, that's my word. Tell me when to go, tell me when to go, tell me when to go.
Look at this one. It's so pretty.
Jesus Christ, had dreads, so shake it. I ain't got none, but I'm planning on growing some. Imagine all I eat. One double dancing on top of chariots and turning tight ones. Tell me when to go. Talking on my catch you on my way to the top. My second or third trip. Some hickeys, some squishies, and some Listerines. Let's tell her. Slow down. No, you can't catch me. I'm on too fast on gas. Don't chase me. Slow down. Slow down. I tell him, slow down. No, you can't catch me. I'm on too fast on gas.
I like this
don't
one.
chase me. Slow down.
I like this one. This one is. I like this one. Michoacan.
Probably just get when the sun come in. Go to the game, tired of
Look at the inside. So comfy, huh? Look at the light. Oh, look at this green one. Crazy. What, babe? He's getting jazzy, remember? What? They're coming back. They're picking up because it's gonna finish already. I just wanted to see the inside because the inside I still hadn't seen these cars. So pretty, huh? Guys coming, they're leaving. Look at this one.
Come and holla at me, mama. I got a fly spot downtown, up on top. And we can get together and finish this.
Okay, I think they're done. Look at this one. Look, look at the radio Chola. So it's hot. Look, this is like President's car, huh? Huh? Yeah. Yeah, look, it has a nos to go fast.
Are those real then?
Yeah. So how was the concert?
Great.
Got home and I'm gonna show you guys the 2 cups I got. We ended up getting like some cups, like thermals, you would call it. I don't know why, but I really like this one. It was a Beetlejuice cup, and these were for 25 bucks, which I thought was a steal. So yeah, I got this one, and it comes with the straw. We love that for me. And it's tipo así, like se abre y se cierra. You just slide it in, slide it out. And then my husband got, go wash your hands. Okay, go Milo. Javi, give some to your sister. So my husband got this one, the Dodger one. It's pretty cool. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really cool. And it also comes with the straw. We love that. And se abre y se cierra así. It opens, it closes. Like that. And let me see, she has her business card here. These are custom tumblers, and this is her page. If you guys wanna order some, she's here from Bakersfield, I believe, or it was a couple that was selling these, so good for them. And grass. Anyways, I'm just gonna give you guys my thoughts about the car show. I think it was a great car show. It was just obviously hot. It wasn't hot, like dry hot. Thank God there was wind, so there was like air flowing. But I still feel I got burned from my shoulders because we were out there listening to the Mary Jane girls, and then Baby Bash also came down. And then after that, I ended up going to go record the other cars from the other lot. Obviously, I didn't record everything just because there was a lot of people. There was not a lot of people like suffocating people, but there was just a lot of people. But yeah, I really enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoy these type of videos. If you guys have any other suggestions that you guys want to watch here in Bakersfield, since I do live out here, I mean, I'm getting less shy around taking out the camera. I was really bummed out. I did forget my little stick thing for the camera, so I was like, my hands were tired because I was lifting my camera the whole time. But other than that, I did enjoy it. I feel, to be honest, next time probably I wouldn't take my kids, just because, you know, it's hot and there's a lot of walking, and then you have to worry about like them drinking water, or like if they're bored. And yeah, I just feel next time should be just me and the hubby. But anyways, thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys till next time. Bye. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video if you guys like these type of videos. I would really appreciate you. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.